Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. Come along with me while I prepare for my daughter's graduation party. She's graduating for the second time from The Ohio State University. If you've been here for a while, you know I've been talking about this for like a month and a half. I am super excited. She is such an amazing human being, and she deserves this. She deserves to have so much fun. She deserves to have so much love, and we gonna get it done. For now, we are in the kitchen preparing the meat for the pasta, and I also have to put some final touches on DIYs. The theme for the party is wildflowers and books because she plans on going to law school after this. If you are new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out, show that like button some love, and leave a comment down below. When I'm in my kitchen, I like to make sure if I'm cooking that it's clean. The kitchen is clean. I just had one dish in the sink that I want to get washed up. And also I want to show you this hack of how you can refrain from getting grease in your pipes, okay? You do not want to get any kind of bacon grease or hamburger grease down your sink because that could be very costly and you'll have to hire a plumber to unclog that. That is not fun, trust me. I just sprayed the sink down with some vinegar and some Dawn Power Wash. I'm gonna get it scrubbed real good. I'm going to put some aluminum foil and parchment paper in the sink to refrain from getting any grease down the drain. Let me know if you've ever tried this trick before, and if you haven't, you're welcome, girl. You sure are. Tell your husband, your auntie, and your uncle, okay? Now that has been taken care of, I want to wipe off any excess grease off my spoons, off my dishes, off my strainer, whatever you call it. And again, I don't want it to get down my sink. So definitely do this next step because it will bless you. I'm telling you, I'm gonna give you all kind of hacks throughout this lifelong YouTube journey of mine. Definitely check out some of my older videos where I do hacks because they are amazing for sure. On top of wiping all of the grease up, you definitely want to use a good dish detergent. So I'm going to use some Dawn, the original Blue Dawn, because it cuts grease tremendously.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go. Oh, oh. You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go?
Now that the dishes that I cook with are washed up, because I do like to cook and clean at the same time, it just makes things so much easier. I'm gonna clean out my sink again. This time I'm cleaning it out with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. It's the new version, not the old version that I love, and also that Blue Dawn dish soap. I'm really hoping that Mr. Clean puts that original yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant back on the shelves, because that was my best friend. Like, we was real cool. It didn't leave streaks or anything like that. The new yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant is an antibacterial and it leaves streaks. I'm not really feeling it.
I'm standing on a cliff side while you tumble way below the waves. Undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
I'm using some Awesome that I picked up from the Dollar Tree a while back. I always have used Awesome. Awesome will take nail polish out of your carpet, okay? Let me know if you know anything about Awesome. But I'm cleaning off my stove with it because it's a great degreaser. Not as good as Super Clean, but it is a great degreaser. Okay, I literally have to leave right now. It's really 4 o'clock. That clock is like 2 minutes fast. I have to go get my daughter from school and it is storming outside.
Let go. Let go.
Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. Let me know what interesting things you're working on, what you're reading, what you're watching, all of that great stuff. I hope you're taking care of your mental health and saying your affirmations, because pouring love into yourself is very important. Let me tell you something about Kim. Kim is a smart girl, because it only takes me normally about 20 minutes to get to her school, but I decided to leave at 4 o'clock to be here by 4:45, and it is 4:42, girl, okay? We are back home finishing up on the last few DIYs, and Karia, my youngest daughter, decided to help me, and I'm very excited because she did a really good job. What we're doing is just dyeing pages of paper. We are making them look more vintage style by dyeing them with coffee. I know some of you, like Daphne, had mentioned that you like to do that with tea. I've never done it with tea before, only coffee, but let me know if you've ever tried this trick before. It's very simple, but it looks so good. And the key to this is making sure when you rip the pages out that it's not like an even rip. It needs to be like a really jagged edge.
I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for love instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me crave. You really are a different taste. I love that I don't know your name.
With this specific DIY, I'm going to attach some beautiful flowers to it because, again, the theme is wildflowers and book pages, or books, so to speak, and it's just going to turn out really lovely. I do have some twine that I'm going to wrap around the pages and then attach flowers, so you'll just have to stick around and see what it looks like. These DIYs are very inexpensive. What I did is I went to the Dollar Tree and got a bunch of books, and I went to Hobby Lobby for the flowers, got some of the flowers from Michael's and a few flowers from Dollar Tree. Don't really like the quality of the Dollar Tree flowers, but they work as a filler. Please leave me some purple hearts below in the comments if you are still here rocking with me. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you.
You get everybody staring.
just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up.
Set me free, so I shout out your name from the rooftops. I proclaim that I am yours. I am yours. Here I am, I stand with arms wide open to the one, the sun. Listen, I had to break out with some praise and worship because that's just what I do, okay? Let me know below in the comments if you know who Jesus Culture is or Kim Walker Smith. That's one of the songs that I was singing. I am a lover of all kinds of music. What I don't listen to is like heavy metal, death metal, country. I don't listen to any of that, but I do love jazz. I do love rap, old school gangster rap, Scarface, Tupac. But I also love me some Christian gospel music. I love R&B, classic soul, all that great stuff. So let me know what kind of music you like to listen to. It's funny too, because my sister always tells me, you listen to a lot of sad music, but let me tell you something. When I'm sad and I need to pump myself up, I listen to Amy Winehouse. And I know that seems backwards, but I am a lover of music. That girl had some vocals, okay? And it's really a tragic situation how her life ended up. Anyway, back to these happy thoughts. Look how beautiful these flowers are, and this DIY turned out really, really good. After this is all said and done with, I definitely need to find a hobby because this has definitely taken up my time for the last 2 months. I've had so much fun. I got emotional several times, but at the end of the day, it turned out beautiful, you guys. It really did. I just look at my daughter's life like, girl, you got it going on like Donkey Kong, okay? I don't even have 1 degree, and this girl has 2 degrees. That is something to be celebrated for sure.
I won't give up. No, I can't give up. Can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't give up. Can't give up. Can't give up. No, I won't give up. No. No, I can't give up. Can't give up. I can't give up.
This is so pretty and just brings me joy.
War is a 4-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. 4-letter words, 4-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like down, down,
Ooh, those look good. We're currently at GFS and we're picking up some last minute items. For chicken, we already have a tray. Does Giant Eagle give it to you on a tray too?
Wait, what you talking about?
Little Smokies. This is too big for that. I can put those in a crock pot.
Is that the lid?
Yeah.
That ain't no. That's what I'm saying. They're like in a whole pack. Yeah.
We plan on having some folks over after the graduation party, so I wanted to pick up some little odds and ends that people can snack on because we're already feeding them at the party. We had a really good time in GFS. There were some people in there whose daughters were graduating and one who graduated last year, so we were conversing with them. If you know me, you know I don't meet strangers, okay? I'll just be like, hey, how you doing, sugar? No, for real. So now we're getting this coffin cooler packed with all of the goods. We have water, we have pop, we have juice, we have hugs. Just enough for everybody. We want to make sure that everybody is satisfied. We want to make sure everyone has a good time and feels the love, the energy that we are putting out. We want everyone to feel welcome and comfortable. I believe each and every individual who's in my daughter's life played an intricate role in raising her because it does take a village. Whether or not they said kind words to her, gave her a hug, words of encouragement, whatever it was, it is very much appreciated. So we want everyone to have a very good time. Not to mention, most of my family are coming in from out of town. We have family from Cleveland, Pennsylvania, Michigan, Maryland, all over. So I need to make sure they are well fed and well taken care of.
Do you feel?
We're having a candy charcuterie board, so we are going to spell my daughter's name out. This is not how you spell it, by the way. We just kind of laid the letters down, but we're going to spread her name out with all of the candy around it, as well as some desserts. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. I do not take it lightly that you're taking the time out of your day to watch a 15, 16, 17-minute video of mine. Thank you so much. I hope you leave feeling loved, encouraged, and please be kind to somebody. We all need it in life. Now we're finished up with all of the DIYs. Here's what everything is looking like. I am in the kitchen making the spaghetti sauce and the little smokies. And then we have everything as far as the DIYs and the balloons and everything packed up and ready to go. The balloons are in some trash bags and the DIYs are in boxes, and we will also be putting them in crates. Thank you again for being here. I appreciate you, and I hope you have an amazing day.